Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Roshade for your Roblox. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you need to do is to head into this page right here, the download page of the Roshade. And I'm going to put the link in the description down below so you can just access the link in there. So after going to the page, what you need to do here is to simply click the download button. So this is what you will see, and then the download button should be easy to locate. So just simply click onto it, and after doing so, what you need to do, or after clicking into the download button, you will be able to go into this page right here. And on this page, just make sure that you won't click anything on this page until you wait for the countdown right here that says please wait 5 seconds. So just wait for this one right here to end. So after the 5 seconds or the 6 second end will end, this skip button or will appear. So just simply click onto that skip button, and then it will automatically download the row sheet for you, just like so right here. So just locate the download or skitable file. So just simply click onto it, and after clicking onto it, it will automatically download. So just wait for a few seconds, and then you should be able to see this. So just hit OK. So after that, hit the install button on your screen, and then just follow the on-screen prompts that you need to do, and that's it. Those are the steps that you need to do for you to be able to download Roshade for your Roblox. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.